Hi, I'm Gwyneth, and we're back with another tips and tricks. So today we'll be discussing the shipment detail. Now, the shipment detail itself is a document that is sent out with every single shipment that leaves one of our warehouses, and it's got a lot of important information, so you'll want to make sure that you're referencing it. So the shipment detail is going to show the model that was shipped and any accompanying hardware as well. It's going to show the quantity of each piece that was shipped as well, whether it's lineal footage for a handrail or an eaches for end caps or hardware. It'll show the box in which it's packaged as well. So that's really important to know, because if you receive a package, in this instance, there were 22 boxes that were shipped out with this shipment, and you're looking for your end caps, you can see on the shipment detail that it's packaged in box 37, for instance. The shipment detail also is going to list the amount of packages with each shipment, and it'll also break it out by the dimensions and weights of each package, just in case you need to store them anywhere. And that's it for another tips and tricks.